Okay guys, welcome back in action. This is Abdul who will be taking for you mathematics of Form 2 surface area of square-based pyramid, okay? In fact, when we are dealing with surface area, we are going to see different concepts of mathematics here. We are going to see the surface area of a frustum, surface area of a cone, okay? We will also see pyramids. So pyramids are categorized into two, don't forget that. We have a square-based pyramid and a rectangular-based pyramid, okay? So we will start with the square-based pyramid, then we will see, inshallah, God willing, in our next video, rectangular-based pyramid, okay? Let me start with the first example here. Let's start with this one, example 1. In your example 1, you are told, look here, the figure below shows a right pyramid. You are told the figure below shows a right pyramid, V A B C D, standing on a square base, okay, offside 12 centimeter, okay. Each slant edge is 18 centimeter long, full stop. You are told calculate the total surface area. Calculate the total surface area of the pyramid, okay, of the pyramid, full stop. So now let me draw for you the figure. Remember, it's square-based pyramid, so I'll come here. This is the figure for your information, guys. You must be expert in drawing, yeah, guys. But in case you see, they will draw for you. Don't worry about that, okay? So let's say this is square-based pyramid. I want to make this thing very, very straight. Great one. So what you do, join this one up to that point. Let's stop it there. Then join this one again. Look at this one. Let me draw for you. Okay? Then join this point, this one. Then join this one. So this is the square-based pyramid. So they're saying the name is what? V. This is V. Okay? Then let's say A, B, C, and D. Okay? This should be D. So it is a square base offside how much? Confirm. They're saying offside 12 centimeter. Just understand, a square base offside 12 centimeter. Here also 12 centimeter. These guys, they are referring for you because they are giving you the slant edge, okay, which is the hypotenuse. These are what you normally call VC, VB, and VA are the slant edge. So they are all same. Yeah, just understand. So this will be 18 centimeter. This is also 18 centimeter. This is also 18 centimeter, okay? VD is also the slant edge. So when the square base pyramid is given, okay, with the slant edge and the base measurements, this is what you're going to do. Remember, we have, when we're talking about pyramid, we have 4 triangles and a rectangular base or a square base, okay? A rectangular base or a square base, yeah. That's why you're saying it is square base, because when you look at the bottom, it has a square at the bottom. Can't you see? So remember that the pyramid has got 4 squares, and in such situation, when you have square-based pyramid, the pyramid will have 4 equal triangles. Okay, when it is square-based, just understand that it will have 4 equal triangles. But the problem will come when you have rectangular base. Okay, of which I will emphasize a lot. Just understand that. Okay, I will stress much on that, God willing. But when you are given the slant height, again, these guys, They are also doing some favors for you, okay? So what we're gonna do is, we will pick one of these two triangles, yeah? VAB or VBC. Now, you're going to say, taking out. You're going to say, taking out triangle VAB. Triangle VAB and VBC are equal. So I'll take one of them. So I'll say like this, look here. I will have VAB. And the measurement will be 12 centimeter. Look here. This is 12 centimeter. Just take your time, guys. This is 12 centimeter. These two sides are equal 18 centimeter. Here also 18 centimeter. So this is an isosceles triangle. What are we going to do? We will drop a point from V, a line from V, from point V, then this is perpendicular to the baseline, is it? So here we'll have 6 centimeter. Here also 6 centimeter. Just understand. Let's call this point M, okay? Now using Pythagoras theorem or the property of right angle triangle, I'll say, let me get the height. Because for you to get the area of a triangle, you must have the height. Unless or otherwise you're using Hero's formula. You can also use Hero's formula now. Because you have the three sides. Get the perimeter, you can move like that. But let me, in our next example is when I will be using Hero's formula for reading. Let me use now, let me now get the height, which is now Vm. I'll say Vm squared is equal to, look here, Vm squared. Let me get the height of this triangle, okay? Which is Vm. So I'll say Vm squared is equal to Va squared, which is the hypotenuse, minus Am squared. Am is this distance, yeah? So Vm squared therefore is equal to 18 squared minus, just understand, yeah? Minus 6 squared. So Vm squared therefore is equal to, now 18 times 18 I think is 324. 18 squared, show your calculation, yeah? That is 324 minus 36, okay? Minus 36. Root of answer, okay? So I will have Vm squared is equal to 288. Then to get Vm, introduce root here. Introduce here also root cancel. So Vm therefore is equal to the root of root answer 16.97, yeah? 16.97 centimeter. So you have gotten, is it? The height of the triangle. So what you're going to say is surface area now. Surface area is equal to area of the square. Area of the square plus area of the four triangles. Area of the four triangles, okay? Area of the four triangles. So now let me get that. I'll say surface area therefore is equal to 12 centimeter times 12 centimeter plus a half times base. Just understand, I'll say like this. Just understand. Let me now get the area of the square. Let me get area of square now. Area of square, so I understand better. It's equal to side times side, or else square. So area is equal to 12 centimeter times another 12 centimeter, which is 144 centimeter square. That's the area of the square, okay, which is the bottom area. Just understand that. Area of the four triangles. Area of the four triangles. We are going to say area A, therefore, area is equal to a half base times side times 4, because there are 4 in number. Just understand. So area is equal to a half times base. My base is 12, can't you see? 12 centimeter times the height, which I have gotten 16.97 centimeter times 4. Why am I saying times 4? Because I have 4 equal triangles. Just understand that. I have what? I have 4 equal triangles. Just understand. So by 2, 1, by 2, 6. So area is equal to 6 times 4 is what? 24 times what? 16.97 centimeter. So get your calculator. It will be how much? 24 times 16.97, okay? 16.97. So this will give me area is equal to 407.28 centimeters squared. Now surface area. Surface area, add now. it will be 407.28 centimeters squared plus the area of the square, which is this one. Okay, confirm 144 centimeters squared plus 144. That will give me as L therefore is equal to 551.28 point what? 0.28 centimeter square, and that is then. Just understand, yeah. This is very easy. I don't know why people are saying the base area of form 2 is hard. It is not hard, and it will never be hard. I'm telling you. Now, what matters is how the diagram looks like. Okay, this diagram you're given. Now, sometimes these guys, of which I will give you right now, sometimes these guys will not give you this one. They will drop height from V up to this point. That's when students get confused. You should not be getting confused because we have also a procedure to follow. Okay, I'll show you right now that one. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now, in such situation where you have the two slant height and it's square base perimeter, by the way, it's very easy. What are you going to say? Take one of these two triangles, get the true height. Okay, because these are the slant height. Okay, 18, 18, 18, 12. So if you take VAB, it's an isosceles because here 18, here we have VP 18. You see now. And VA is also 18 centimeters. So that means it's an isosceles triangle. And you have your base AB as 12 centimeters. You drop a line from V to meet BC at a point where it's going to divide, to meet AP, and divide that line AB into two equal parts. That's why you're saying we have 6 here, we have also 6 here. Get the height and get the total surface area, which is gotten as area of the square plus the area of the 4 triangles. Okay? And remember, the 4 triangles are of equal value for your information, guys. Okay, let's see another one. Let's see one more example, guys, so you understand better this thing. You know, these guys are very funny. Okay, these guys are funny, but they will give you a different thing. So sometimes these guys, look at these guys. Let's see example 2. I hope you are digesting this one. Now you can have a look. Okay, look at this one. Just understand the procedure. It's very easy by the way. Take your time, understand the procedure. Okay. Let me go to another one. Example 2 here, where we don't have this slant height. Okay. Let's go to example 2 then. As you check screenshot about that. Make sure you go with me, yeah, and make sure you also calculate. Okay. Go to commercial books, other commercial books. Then make sure you solve questions. In the events where you have problem, make sure you leave your comment in our comment box. Okay, we'll still help you. You can even write for us the question number and where it's on, then we'll solve for you guys. Okay, we are here to help you during this period where people are stranded at home level by this COVID-19. Okay, pandemic disease called COVID-19. Okay, we are here to help you. We know how KCSE results are painful. Okay, they will make you not to join university. Just mathematics and English. Make sure you learn them, because those two will help you when you want to venture into university classes. To help you guys. Okay. Okay. Now let's see a situation where we don't have the slant height. Yeah. Look at this one. Okay. Let's say this is example 2. Just understand the difference, yeah? You're told the figure below shows a right pyramid. Shows a right pyramid. Shows a right pyramid standing on a square base. Standing on a square base, okay? BQRS. That's the base. Okay, BQRS, okay? Offside 18 centimeter. Offside 18 centimeter. You are told each offside 18 centimeter. So here we have your total full stop. If VO is 32 centimeter, comma, if VO is 32 centimeter, comma, calculate the surface area of the pyramid, okay? Calculate the surface area of the pyramid. So this is what you have. We'll draw the diagram. It's taking this shape. Okay? Let's say this is the diagram. Sorry. This is our diagram, right? Don't forget. Then they say that this is B, Q, R, S. Just understand, yeah? Then they drop a line from here. So this is 32 here, just understand. Up to this point is 32. This just understand. So this is 32 centimeter. Now guys, what are we going to do? The question here is, what are we going to do? Now we don't have the slant height. What you're in such situation, they said what? Here we have 18 centimeter. Here also we have what? 18 centimeter. So it's very easy, without wasting time and energy. This is the procedure. Get this one. Join these two and get this one. So this will be a perpendicular line. Remember, VO. Let's call this one O. VO will divide BR into two equal parts. Don't forget, because this is 90 degrees. Okay? Just understand that. Just understand, guys. Okay? Okay, now what I will do is, I want to get the true height of these two triangles. VBQ and the VQR. So I have to follow. I have to do some other calculations of which you have not done in the previous example. Now the first thing you're going to do is join B to R. I think that's not hard. And remember, this angle is what? It's 90 degrees. So I will get this one, the hypotenuse. I'll say BR squared. Look here. It is very easy, the procedure. It's only giving us extra work. It's equal to BQ squared plus QR squared. So now BR squared is equal to 18 squared plus another 18 squared. So BR squared is equal to 18 squared times 2, yeah? 18 squared times 2, that is give me 648. Then for you to get BR, introduce root, yeah? Because you're looking for BR. So BR therefore is equal to the root of our final answer, yeah? That is 0.46 centimeter. The line BR is 25.46. Then let me get now OR. OR is equal to a half BR, okay? Which is now a half times 25.46 divided by 25.46 25.46 divided by 2. So that is 12.73 centimeter. So now again, taking out also, let's say, taking out also triangle triangle VOR. VOR. Just go with me. VOR. So this is the height So I'll say like this, look here. You know, we must draw something very smart here, just understand that. So let's say, let me have this part. Let's say this is V O R. So this will give me how much? Here I have what? I have the base, I have 12.73 centimeter, and the height is what? Is 32 centimeter, okay? 32 centimeter. Let me write it here. This is 32 centimeter, okay? So what am I going to do then? Remember here I already had what? I have the 2 centimeter here. So let me get VR, which is the slant height. After you get VR is when you have come to where we have started from in our previous example. Just understand. So I'll say VR is equal to, just understand, VO plus OR squared. VO squared plus OR squared. So VR squared is equal to that 2 squared plus 12.73 squared. So VR squared is equal to, get your calculator. You must have your calculator, guys. So that is 32 squared. The answer is 1024 plus 12.73 squared. That is 162.05. 05, okay? Plus 1024. So now VR squared is equal to 1186.05. Then introduce root. Okay, so VR alone is equal to, get the square root, answer to be how much? That 4.44. That 4.44 centimeter. Now again, look here. It's not, by the way, it's not really hard, but it's a matter of teaching yourself. Okay, look here. We were dealing in our first attempt. We were dealing with the VOR. Sorry, we were dealing with the line PR. We have gotten like BR divided by 2, then we have gotten OR from there. Then we picked out what? VOR. VOR, we have gotten the hypotenuse, just answer. So this time I will either take out, either triangle VBQ or VQR. So the just goes the same. So again, you're going to say, taking out. Again, taking out triangle VBQ. So this is how the diagram will look like. So this is V, this is B, and this is Q. Remember, I've gotten here how much? 34. Just understand here the slant height. That 4.44 centimeter. Here also that 4.44. Just understand that. That 4.44 centimeter. So which means here we'll have that 4.44. Here we'll also have that 4.44. Then here we have 18 centimeter. Then we'll drop a line. So this is a perpendicular. This is 9. This is also 9. Okay. So see, I can get now the call this point what? M. This is 18 centimeter, is it? Call this point M. See, I can get VM. I know that VM squared is equal to, just understand this, VP squared minus PM squared. So VM squared is equal to 34.44 squared minus 9 squared. So this will give you what? Let me go here. Come to this point, guys. We will have 34.44 squared minus 9 squared. It will give you how much? 1105.11. So I will have VM squared is equal to 1105.11. So introduce root again. Introduce root. So VM is equal to, get the root of this answer. That's 3.24. 0.24. So see, I can get now, I will get the area of one of this, the area of this triangle, then multiplied by 4. So I will say area of the 4 triangles. Area of the 4 triangles. Just understand that. Of the 4 triangles is equal to a half base times height times 4. So area will be a half times, my base is 18, yeah, just understand, times the height. The height is what? VM, which is that 3.24 times 4, because we have 4 triangles, by 2 1 by 2 9. So area is equal to 9 times, this is 9, remember, 9 times 4 is that 6, yeah, times that 3.24. So area of the 4 triangles would be that 3.24 times that 6. That is 1196.64 centimeter square. So that is the area of the 4 triangles. Just understand, yeah. Then area of the base. Area of the base is equal to side times side, because that's the square. So area is equal to 18 centimeter times 18 centimeter. Area therefore is equal to 324 centimeter square. That's the area of the base, I just understand. Okay, that's the area of the base. So surface area SA is equal to 1196.64 centimeter squared plus, add this one, plus 324.00 centimeter squared. Okay, we add it, remember, we add it. So SA therefore, SA of the pyramid will be plus 324, that is 1520.64 1520.64 centimeter squared. Look at this one. Okay, why are you saying mathematics is hard? It's not hard. Who said mathematical form 2 is hard? Mathematical form 2 requires you to learn it. Just learn mathematical form 2. And I'm sure the moment you are done with the mathematical form 1 and form 2, there is no mathematics in form 3 and form 4. We have only 15 chapters in form 3 and 10 chapters in form 4, okay? And they're very enjoyable, by the way. But the moment, that's when you learn the concept of what? The concept of form 2, guys. It is very easy. So get the difference. When you're not given the slant height, you have to struggle to get the slant height, because that slant height will help you to get the true height of the triangle, okay? And remember, the 4 triangles are same because they have same bases. So you must get one height that you'll be using for the calculation. I hope square base pyramid, for the surface area of the square base pyramid, you will not encounter any problem in KCSE. So those are the 2 ways they are going to frame the equations, okay? In our next class code, we are going to see rectangular base pyramid, okay? Which is very, very easy also. Okay, may God bless you. Make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel of ours. It's an academic channel, by the way. I'm always repeating that. It's not a channel which is based on comic issues, okay? It will help you and your future generation as well. Otherwise, I wish you the best.